Now we are going to go over how to change your blog post template. We are still working in the Divi Theme Builder area found in the left-hand corner tab under Theme Builder. Now we're going to be working in this area called All Posts. Again, we don't need to make any changes to the global header or footer because we already made those changes earlier, but we do want to make changes to the custom body of your blog posts. So click that pencil button to edit. Once you make changes in this area, it'll be active across all of your blog posts from here. So just a word of caution, a lot of the content in this post body template needs to stay there unless you know how to change it out and you are skilled in changing out the template area. This stuff here is set so that every single blog post looks uniform and you don't have to manually add categories, the date, the comment count, the blog post title, and then a description of the title and also the author. And then this picture area up here is set so that the default image that you set for that blog post, the main featured image, will show up like this on every blog post. So if you change this out, it's going to make changes to every blog post that you have. This content here is so that you're able to have this content on your website or on your blog post. Don't change any of this stuff here. There's no need to make any changes to that unless you're changing out the font styles, but I'm pretty sure everything is set to the default so that when you make the font changes in your theme customizer later on, all of those fonts will be changed out globally. You don't have to go in manually into every template to change those. So if you want to change the font style, you can wait to do that in the theme customizer so that it's across the board changes on your entire website. So you can go ahead and skip all of this area and scroll down to the author bio. And this is where you want to put in your information for who you are. You want to click on this module setting gear. And it's a person settings, so it already has everything the fields pre-done. So you'll put your name in this area, and then what your position is. And then if you have a Facebook business profile you want to put in there, you could put it in there right there. Or if you're LinkedIn or Google Plus or Twitter profile, those hashtags that are right there are just placeholder link tags. So you don't have to do anything with those if you're not going to have a link in there. Down here in the body of the content section, you want to put in your information about yourself, and this will go on every single blog post. Down here on the image is this image here. So you'll want to click that and change it out to your picture. So you can pick from your media library or upload files there and make sure to upload the image. And you can also, there is a hover background color on there, not a hover background, but a frame background color on there. You can go to the design tab to change out the way that image looks. I have it rounded corners, so you can actually take off the rounded corners to make it more square right there. Or you can change out that box shadow, that green area. You can totally remove it. Or if you want to just change the color to match your business color, you can change it in this area here. So you can change out that box color. And then once you have made your changes in that, you can head back over to this content tab. And so if you do have a link, you'll see that the Facebook link here and the Twitter link here show up because they have a placeholder hashtag link in there. So if I were to actually put a link in there, the Google Plus would show up. And if I put a link in the LinkedIn, that would also show up. To change the way that those icons look, under the design tab, you'll click icon and icon color, and you'll see that that changes it globally with those icon colors. So after you are done changing out your author bio, which is the only thing you need to do on this global template post, I will show you how to make changes to the individual blog page posts later on. This is the only thing you need to change here. If you don't want a comment section on your blog post, you can just delete this entire area. by clicking that green trash button. If you made a mistake and you want to bring it back, you can go back to the original by clicking this little time button down there, and it'll reset it to when you loaded the page. So when you're all done, click Save Changes by clicking Save. Click that X button, and then again, make sure all changes are saved. And now you are done working in the Divi Theme Builder.